Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discovering some features of WhatsApp. But before we start, what is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is an instant messaging and voice over IP service owned by technology conglomerate Meta. It allows users to send text, voice messages, and video messages, make voice and video calls, and share images, documents, user locations, and other content. There are many ways to use WhatsApp. It can be used through your phone, tablet, or iPad, as well as you can use WhatsApp through web with the use of your PC or laptop. All you need to do is install the application and create an account. So to get started, we will be discussing more about the WhatsApp event. This is very useful, especially for businesses. As you can see here on the screen, I will be using the WhatsApp web for me to create an event. So to create a group for your event, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats tab. Click on the new chat icon and select New Group. Select contacts you want to add to the group. These are the people you want to invite to your event. Click the green arrow and name your group. So after that, click the event icon and input the event name. You can name it here the business meetings, birthday parties, or whatever you want to do with the people involved. You can also put some description, the date, time, even location, and enable the WhatsApp call link. Click the green arrow and there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use WhatsApp to organize and manage your events, ensuring smooth communication with your attendees. Thank you so much for watching.